I got my monetization requirements completed in one video. I got over 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 watch hour in one video, and I'll be showing you how I did it in this video. I did it with my other channel, which I've been experimenting different method, different experiments on how YouTube actually works. And I'm here to tell you that I have successfully cracked the code, and I know what you need to do in order to reach your monetization very fast. You see, what I have discovered is that YouTube has given us a lot of features to make sure that yes, this thing is very easy for us. It is now left for us to find that feature. It is now left for us to maximize that feature to our advantage, so that we can actually succeed in this YouTube journey. And I'll be showing you that feature that helped me with one video, just one video. That feature just blew my one video, and I hit all my monetization criteria. And this is not just maybe just a one video blow or just a one viral something. No, this is a proven technique that I have now consistently used, and I've known that yes, this is what you need in order to succeed. So if you are the type of person that you have spent 2, 3, 4, 5 years on YouTube and you have not been monetized, even if you have not even spent more than a year, if you are that person that have uploaded 50, 100 videos and you have not yet been monetized, this video is for you. Because once I unveil this strategy, guys, it's going to be mind-blowing. And you will, once you take this strategy and start using this strategy to create your content, I'm very sure that before you create a lot of videos, you just need one video to blow up your channel. Just one video is what YouTube used to give you everything you need. Just one video. You don't need to start accumulating different watch hour and different subscribers, start accumulating them from each video, from different video. No, just one video like what I'll be showing you now can give you all what you need. Just one video. So if you're the type of person that is looking to be monetized, stay to the end, watch this video, share it, subscribe, comment. All right, and I'm doing a screen recording now to show you the video, how many subscribers that video gave me, how many watch hour that video gave me, and how people found my video, the traffic source, for you guys to know that yes, it is YouTube that pushed that video. And I'll show you how I came about that video. I'll show you how I came about the topic of that video and how I knew that video will go viral. All right, the most exciting thing about this strategy is that you will know that video will go viral before you post it. And once you want to post a video, you will know how that video will perform. You will know if that video will go viral or not even before posting. So that strategy is a very unique strategy, a very unique feature. All right, so like I said earlier, I'll be using a screen recorder to show you everything, to show you the particular video on my other channel, how many subscribers that video got me, how many watch hours that video got me, the traffic source, and how I came about that video. All right, so do well to pay attention. Let's go. All right, guys, so this is my YouTube studio. All right, and this is my second channel. This is a church gospel channel. All right, so like you can see, this video got me all my monetization requirements. Just this one simple video got me all my monetization requirements. And as you can see, this video got me 144,458 views. 144,458 views. And this video got me a total of 12.2k watch hour. 12.2k. And I also got 2.2k subscribers. 12.2k watch hour, 2.2k subscribers. As you can see, with this one simple video, I got my monetization requirements with this one simple video. All right, now let's go to the views for you to see my traffic source, so you will understand what I am talking about. All right, so if we click on the views right here, all right, if you click on the views right here and we scroll up, as you can see our top sources, the first one is suggested videos. All right, suggested videos. That shows you that YouTube pushed the videos. I did not run ads on the video. YouTube pushed the video by itself, and YouTube pushed it because of this feature that I'm about to show you. All right, YouTube pushed it because of this feature I'm about to show you. And as you can see, the second one is browse features. Browse feature. The third one is other YouTube feature, external, direct, YouTube search, channel page, notification, playlist. So all these ones, the main one we want to look at now is the suggested videos. Out of 144k views, suggested video got 74.3k views. That means YouTube suggested my video to 74,000 people. 74,000 people, and 41,000 people also saw my videos on the feed. That is, when they were browsing through YouTube, they saw my videos. So YouTube displayed my videos everywhere because of this one simple feature that I am about to show you. And I promise you that if you can wait to the end of this video and look at this feature, and start using this feature in your own videos, I promise you that you will get monetized easily. That's a sure banker, you get monetized easily. Now let's go to the features. Now, the first thing for you is to go to your content on your monetization, on your YouTube studio. You go to your analytics. When you go to your analytics, you go to your trends. All right, you go to your trends. Now this place is the make or break of everything. This place is the make or break of it. This is the place you will be able to see if yes, this video that I want to work on, this topic I want to work on, will this topic blow or not? All right, now let's do an experiment. Now, you know, I said this is a gospel niche video. All right, now let's try to search. Let's say we want to make a random topic on how to get subscribers. Let's say we want to make a random topic on that. All right, you click on done, it search. As you can see, very low interest from your viewers. That means your viewers did not want to hear anything about that topic at all. That is what it means. YouTube is trying to tell you that if you make this type of video, you won't get views. If you make this type of video, your viewers won't watch it. And if your viewers don't watch your video, YouTube won't even push it to more people. All right, but if we search for something like this, heaven and hell, let's say we search for something like this and we search, as you can see, very high interest. That means these are the things your viewers want to watch. These are the videos your viewers want to watch. Then you can scroll up and see from different people that have created that type of video and get inspiration from it. Then you can know that yes, if you create a video around this topic, heaven and hell, you'll be sure that yes, this video will get views because they have very high interest from your viewers. So if you are using this feature to work on your content, the topic, not just posting anyhow, once you have a topic in mind, come here, come and check it, come and confirm if that topic will explode. All right, so if you make 5, 6, 10 videos that are very high interest from your viewers, there's no way YouTube won't push one. And once YouTube push one of your videos, all the monetization criteria you are looking at will surely blow. You will surely get it with just one video like I did. That is how I also did. I came here, I checked for the topic, I saw very high interest, I worked on it, I posted it, and that video got me all my monetization requirements. All right, remember, you go to your trends and you do you check the topic you want to work on. You go to your trend, you check the topic you want to work on, you check if it has very high interest rates. That is, if those people, as you can see this one too, prophetic declaration by Dr. Paul Enesh, very high interest. That means those people want to watch it. But if you check a topic that shows low interest or very low interest, it means people don't want to watch that type of video. Now let's check one now. As you can see, most of what they are even suggesting here is showing very high interest. Most of what they are suggesting here is showing very high interest. Most of what they are suggesting here is showing very high interest. As you can see, this one showed medium interest. That means some are interested, some are not interested. All right, so this is the feature that is 100% capable of blowing up your channel. So if you are the type that you don't have a viral video and you don't like none of your video has gone viral yet, this feature can really help you make 1, 2, 3, 10 of your videos go viral at once. All right, so after you use that strategy and that feature, all right, even if it doesn't work for your first video, don't panic. Just keep using it. One thing about YouTube is that you have to create the video that people want to watch. Don't create video based on your own instincts. No, create video based on what people want to watch. And if YouTube is telling you that your audience wants to watch a particular type of video, and you create that video and you create those videos consistently, there is no way a time will come, and it won't be long, YouTube will reward you and push that video very, very far. YouTube will recommend that video, will suggest that video to a lot of people, and before you know it, boom, your monetization criteria is being met. All right, so it is not just a one-time something. All right, even if you are sick and doctor give you prescription, you have to use those dosage finish. All right, and YouTube is not for just a one-time stuff. You have to show that yes, you are consistent. So if you are using that feature, using it to create your content and you are consistent in it, always creating content that are very, very high interest rates for your viewers, there's no way if you post videos for a week, there's no way YouTube will pick one and push it. All right, YouTube will surely pick one and push it very, very well. All right, so if you enjoyed this video and if you want something more like this, all right, feel free to comment down below. If you have any question, comment, like, subscribe and share so that other people will watch and enjoy something like this. All right, so I'll bring you more updates, I'll bring you more research, and I'll bring you more proven strategies. All right, so until next time, bye.